I myself Anuj Kastri. I am from St. Vincent Pallotti School. This video I am making from Bageli classes. So today I am going to explain you about mirror. First mirror I am going to explain you about concave mirror. There are many properties of concave mirror. So first property is if you place object at infinity, then the image will be formed at focus because the rays coming from it are parallel. So therefore the image will be formed at focus, and image which will be formed at focus is highly diminished, which means it is very small in size and we are not able to see it from our naked eyes. And in concave mirror there is P. P it means pole, then focus represented by symbol F, then the last one is C, and that we represent by center of curvature. And center of curvature means the sphere middle part, which is center of curvature. And then we will place one by one object that will be represented by arrow, and this symbol is represented at infinity, and this infinity we will use it as, and this infinity is the object which is placed at a far distance. So first, this is concave mirror which is polished from outside, and image which is falling on concave mirror is reflected, and the image falls on concave mirror get reflected. So therefore it reflect from focus. Therefore the image will be formed at focus. First object is at infinity. Therefore we will place screen on focus. So we will find image at focus, and it is highly. Another topic we are going to learn is when the object is placed beyond C. When the object is placed beyond C, the one ray we will take parallel to the principal axis, and another we will take reflecting from going from focus and goes parallel to principal axis. So that ray which ray goes, so there where they invert, they both rays join at a point, and that point lie between C and F, means between focus and center of curvature. And that image which is formed between focus and center of curvature is diminished image. Diminished image means very small in size, and that image is inverted image. That means the head of the object is downwards and legs are upward of that image. So that in concave mirror this property is there, and they all. The third condition we are going to learn is when the object is placed at center of curvature, the image will also form at center of curvature, because the first we will take one ray going parallel to principal axis which reflect to focus, and another ray will take going from focus which reflect to principal axis. So that image is formed at C, and in this condition the size of image is same as the size of the object, and the image is laterally inverted. So therefore the image will be downward, and the object, and we will place screen on in center of curvature, then only we will find image inverted at center of. The fifth condition we are going to learn is when object is placed between center of curvature and focus. When we place object between center of curvature and focus, the first we will take one ray going parallel to principal axis which reflect to focus, and another way we will take going from focus reflecting to principal parallel to principal axis. And the image, and when we take this, so the meeting point when the both line meet is beyond C. So the image which you will get is inverted, and the size of image is enlarged, which means object is of small size and the image size is large. So this is the fifth. Next condition we are going to learn is when we place object at focus. So first we will take one leg going parallel to principal axis which reflect to focus, and another we will take coming the ray going to pole which reflect to pole only. So these two objects, when we will take these two rays, an object is placed at focus, so the image we will find will not find on screen, it will find us on infinity. And when any object is found at infinity, the size of object is enlarged, and due to it is concave mirror, the image of object will be inverted. So the image we will find at infinity, object is placed at 4 pole and the rays are parallel all. So therefore we will find image at infinity and the object will be enlarged object. Last condition of concave mirror is when we place object between pole and focus. So we will not get image on screen. So therefore we need to place screen behind the mirror. And the object when it is placed between pole and focus, first we will take one ray, one going to parallel to principal axis, reflect to focus, and another we will take the line goes parallel to pole, it reflect to pole only, and both we will extend backward. So we will get enlarged image. You can be able to see object is in size this much and the image formed is big. So therefore enlarged image we will find here. So in between focus and pole condition we will get image enlarged image. And here is this is the last of concave mirror. Now next we are going to discuss about convex. We are going to learn about convex mirror. In convex mirror there are only two properties. First, when the object is placed at infinity, in convex mirror the rays are not there, the rays are reflected but they are diverging. Concave mirror is known as diverging mirror. So at infinity we know that from infinity the rays come parallel to principal axis. Therefore the first we will take the ray which is coming from infinity goes diverged upside. So there are two rays. So if we will produce them backwards, so the image is formed at focus, and the image which is formed at focus is highly diminished because the object, a far object and the far object image is highly diminished and we are not able to see it. The last condition of convex mirror is when the object is placed between infinity and pole. So when the object is placed between infinity and pole, object is large in size, and first we will take same. First we will take one ray going parallel to principal axis which divert, and another we will take the ray which comes from pole. If we will increase that both ray backward, so we will found image backward between pole and focus, and the image which we will found backward will be diminished. It will be small in size. Means image is this much, object is this much big, and image will be small in object image. We are going to perform a practical, and the practical is based on concave and convex mirror. So first condition which we have learned, that is if we place object at infinity, so the image will be formed at focus and the image will be point size and it will be highly diminished. So we are not, it is this much small that we are not able to see it properly. Another condition which we will take, we will place object beyond C. So object beyond C we will take beyond 25, 30, beyond 20. 30. At we will take it at 30. So when we will take it at 30, the image will be formed between focus and center of curvature. 20. Now you are able to see the image formed that is inverted and it is little bit small in size. Small in size and inverted image. Now next we will take object at focus at center of curvature and image also at center of curvature. If we will take both, so you are able to see the size of image is same as the size of object. Another condition which we are going to learn is when we will place object between pole and center of curvature, image you will get at beyond C and the image will be large in size and the image will be inverted image. You are able to see it. And the another condition which we are going to take, when we place object at focus, so image will be formed at infinity. And this we are able to see candle flame is small in size and the object image is formed big in size. It is nearly about my palm. So this is the condition when we will place object at focus. So image will be formed at infinity and the size of image will be enlarged. Another we will take between pole and focus. So we will find image behind, so we can't see it on screen. So this is the images of concave mirror. In convex mirror there are only two properties. First property is when we will place object at infinity, the image will be formed in mirror and it will be highly diminished. That means very point size. You can be able to see the image. It is very point size and it is this much small in size that we are not able to see it properly. It is very small. Another condition which we will take is between infinity and pole. So between infinity and pole, that image will be small in size and the image which will be formed will be small as compared to candle ray object of the lens, object image. So you will be able to see, first we have placed it at infinity, then between pole and focus, and then there are only two conditions. This we are able to see in mirror. This convex mirror is also used in our vehicles to see the backside object, because it is also known as real view mirror.